Hey ladies, today we are going to get into some big trouble. We are making some bread. Yes, some delicious crispy bread. Great for soups, great for salads. Okay, no kneading necessary. This bread is going to be very easy and we're going to make it in our Dutch oven. So let's get started. First off, you're going to need 3 cups of flour. Whatever flour you have at home is great. Just add that to a large bowl, and to that you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. This is dry active yeast, but any kind will do. Then you're going to add a teaspoon of salt of whatever kind. You're going to mix in all the dry products, and then you're going to add a 1.5 cups of hot water, not boiling, but too hot to touch water, yes. And you're going to mix this dough in until everything is incorporated. Here's something of what it should look like when you are done. Just mix for a few seconds. Then you're going to take saran wrap and cover your bowl with it and let this sit in a cool place, could be on your counter, for 3 hours. Then we're going to flour a surface and plop that dough right on. See how sticky it is? Yes, but it is good. Now you're going to sprinkle a little flour on top, and you're going to use a scraper or some kind of tool that will help you be able to manage this dough because it is sticky. So we're making it to where we can manage it and not so sticky. We're going to kind of form it into a big ball and pat it down just to make sure it's good. And next we're going to line a bowl with some parchment paper big enough to fit it in. I'm going to plop that dough in there and cover it with a towel and let it sit for 35 minutes while we put the Dutch oven, cover and all, in the oven and preheat the oven at 450 degrees, not 445, for 35 minutes. After this, we're going to pick up that parchment and put it right into that hot Dutch oven and cover it up. And we are going to put this in the oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. Next, we are going to take it out and uncover this. Woo! Look at this bread, guys. And we're just going to remove the parchment right now. And then we are going to pop this baby back in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes. Mine I did for 15, but 10 would have done the job. Just depending on how crispy you want it. And here, guys, is the final product. Wait till you see the inside. Hold up, wait for it now. Here it goes. Woo! This bread was delicious. Hope you guys enjoy.